Welcome to Royal Chess Academy. My name is Murugan. I'm a federating chess player, chess coach. This video topic, Larsen Chess Opening traps. First move B3. This move Larsen open D5. Black replay. Bishop B2. E6. C4. Knight. F6. Knight. F3. Bishop D6, E3, kingside castle, Bishop E2, C6, kingside castle, B6, Queen C2, Bishop B7, Knight G5, H6 move is blunder move, Bishop capture, Knight F6, Black resign this position. Suppose Queen capture Bishop, Queen H7, checkmate. Unavoidable mat. So Black resign this game. If you like this video, give me a like, share with friends, give comment and opinion, subscribe Royal Chess Academy. Bye. See you next video.